Welcome! Are you looking for the best kitchen gadgets? Great! Because we select for you the best kitchen gadgets on Amazon and AliExpress. These amazing kitchen gadgets will save you a lot of time. If you want to buy any, just click on the description link. These gadgets will make you a real master chef. Enjoy the video and thanks for watching.
Presenting the Amazon brand Solimo 20 pieces container set in silver color. These containers are made from food grade and 100% BPA free PET material, making it suitable for everyday use in the kitchen. The PET material also makes these containers odor free. The 20 pieces container set comes in different sizes, where you get 4 jars each in 1800 ml, 1200 ml, 450 ml, 200 ml and 50 ml capacity. These containers are airtight, preventing any loss of moisture to preserve the freshness of its contents, making it last longer. Fully transparent body allows you to easily view the contents inside, while the stainless steel lids make it durable and easy to open. The containers have a wide neck diameter, making it easy to clean. Its easily stackable design ensures optimum use of your kitchen space, helping you to organize your kitchen. You can pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10 days return or replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For delivery, please refer to the product detail page. Prime members get free delivery. For further information, visit the product detail page.